Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just did another tutorial achieving this look, and if you like it, continue to watch and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, this is my fresh face, nothing on it, just moisturized. Now I'm taking my concealer and my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just redoing my eyebrows a little bit, even though they're already done. Okay, now I'm taking my Fit Me foundation. I'm gonna put that under my brows and just, clean it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm taking this brush and I'm sweeping under my eyebrows, and then I'm just cleaning everywhere around my eyebrows, and I'm also cleaning the top of my eyebrows. They were pretty much done, just redid them a little bit more today. Okay, so today I'm using the Rimmel London's palette again. This is the Smokey Eye palette, and I'm just taking that dark brown and putting that above my cut crease, and I'm just sweeping it and just blending it out so it doesn't look too harsh. Okay, so I have this brush. It has this top where you can blend out the eyeshadow, and that's what I'm pretty much doing right now on both eyes. Okay, so I am doing my cut crease now with the concealer, and I'm just making sure that it's the way I like it, not too low, just the right size. So now I'm blending it out with this blending brush that I used earlier, and I'm just smoothing out the concealer. This is the Spicy palette, and I'm just using that white eyeshadow that I'm going to use at the corner of my cut crease, and as you can see that I'm applying it and packing on more of that white eyeshadow to the corner of my crease. So I am taking this blue shimmer eyeshadow off the Smoky Eye palette. I'm just applying that to the middle of my cut crease, and I'm just applying more so that it could appear more on my eyelids. So I took this purple eyeshadow and I'm just gonna pack that on at the end of my cut crease, and I'm just gonna keep packing it on until it's really dark to my likings. Okay, so now I'm just going back with the blue and between the purple, just fixing it up and making it as perfect as possible. Okay, so I'm taking more brown and just putting it above my cut crease, and I'm just blending it out with this brush. Bought this Ebin eye glitter and primer, and I'm just gonna start priming my eyes real quick, and then I'm gonna start applying the glitter to my eyes. I'm going back and taking that brown and just adding that to the end of my cut crease just to make it a little bit darker, and Next, I am pretty much doing the other eyes. I'm not really going to explain this part because I already explained this in like the other half of the videos. So okay, so I'm going back and forth between both eyes and making sure that I packed on the glitter with even amount on both eyes. Okay, I got my L'Oreal True Match in the color N9 and I love this foundation. Right now I'm just putting it on my face and blending it out with this brush. Yes, I know I have a rubber band on the end of my brush and I put that there because I feel like I get more foundation applied on my face a little bit more faster than without using it, so that's why I have it on there. Okay, I have my beauty blender and I'm just patting the foundation into my skin. I have my concealer now and I'm just gonna put that under my eyes and put some more on my nose, and I'm gonna do the other side too so that I can cover my under eye bags. And I'm just gonna apply that to my forehead, and now I am blending out the concealer and making sure that I don't miss a spot. And I'm also fixing the eyeshadow that kind of like went a little bit under my eyes too, and so now I'm just blending on my nose and my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna take my contour and chestnut and I'm just gonna apply that to my nose only. Okay, I'm taking my beauty blender and I'm just blending out the harsh lines that's on my nose. Okay, I'm taking my concealer and where I usually contour, I'm just gonna underline that spot and blend it out. Okay, now I'm taking this powder contour and I'm just gonna contour the side of my face. Okay, so I am using my Wet n Wild setting powder in the color Banana, and I'm just applying that everywhere under my eyes, on my forehead, my nose, and my chin. Here I am just taking my bluffing brush and I'm just bluffing out all the powder off my face and mixing in the contour. Usually I always forget to powder contour my nose, so that's what I'm doing real quick. And I'm just taking that powder brush and I'm just blending it out more so that I don't have a harsh line with that powder contour. I'm gonna take my highlighter off this contour palette and I'm just gonna highlight the side of my face, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, and my under my brows. And I'm just gonna keep going back and forth. Here I'm taking my lip liner and this is roasted coffee, so I'm just gonna line my lips real quick. Okay, now I'm taking my blush and I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks and take the beauty blender and blending that out because that is a lot of blush. Okay, so now I have my mascara and I'm just gonna apply that to my bottom lashes. Okay, so I'm taking my eyeliner and this is what I'm gonna create my beauty marks, and I'm just gonna put that across my face. And now I'm just blending out my blush again. Okay, so I have my NYX Dewy Finish. I'm just spraying that all over my face. And then I'm also gonna take my beauty blender and I'm just gonna pat in the setting spray that I just sprayed on my face in so that it can last longer. Okay, I'm going to apply my lashes. I already applied the lashes to my other eyes off camera, so I'm just gonna apply this one for you guys on camera. And you know, I'm just putting that on, adjusting it, and make sure that it is sitting correctly on my eyelashes. Okay, so I am applying my NYX Butter Gloss, and I'm also putting on the Victoria's Secret Total Shine Addict, and this is like Candy Baby. So I have this pencil eyeliner, and I'm just putting that under my bottom lashes. Alright, so I just finished my look. This is the outcome and I am feeling it. This is like some kind of you know, the smoky eye-ish category. So that's the look that I achieved today. I decided to try something different. I really don't do smoky eye like eyes, but today I tried it and I am feeling it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.